Today I'm back with another quick recipe, that is egg toast.
So to make egg toast, we'll first require some bread slices, and we'll cut them into half like this. How I've made two halves of these bread slices. Here I have beaten 2 eggs, and to it I've added spices. Here I've added chili flakes, oregano and salt to taste. We'll mix it well. Here on the other side I have my tawa heating on low flame. To it we'll add some drops of oil. And here to this egg mixture we'll add in bread slices and coat it well from both the sides. Keep it for a minute and then place it on the tawa. Similarly, you have to coat all the bread slices and toast it on a tawa. Now make sure you toast it until they are nice and golden brown from the top, and then flip it. So friends, here you can see they are nice and golden brown in color. Now we'll take them off in a plate.
So friends, our spicy egg toast is ready. You can see how soft and tasty it looks. So friends, if you like this recipe, please do hit the like button and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing and new recipes. Thanks for watching.